Did you know you can call a landline using Google Voice? Let's see how. Google Voice is a service that lets you make calls using the internet. And yes, it can call traditional landline numbers. You only need a Google account and an internet connection. You can use Google Voice on a phone or a computer. Calls are made using Wi-Fi or mobile data. First, open the Google Voice app. You can also use Google Voice from a web browser. Sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where you manage calls, messages, and voicemail. To make a call, open the keypad. This is where you enter the landline number. For international calls, remember to add the country code. Enter the landline number exactly as you would dial it normally. Always double-check the number before calling. Now tap the call button. Google Voice connects the call through the internet. The landline phone rings just like a normal call. Once answered, the call is connected. Call quality depends on your internet connection. You can mute or use speaker during the call. Headphones can improve call clarity. Tap End Call when you're done. The call is saved in your call history. Missed calls are also logged automatically. If unanswered, the call may go to voicemail. Google Voice can transcribe voicemails into text. Many local calls are free, but international calls may cost. You can check international call rates beforehand. Some calls require Google Voice credit. Credits can be added easily from settings. Settings let you control calling preferences. You can link multiple devices to one number. The landline sees your Google Voice number. Poor internet can cause call failures. First, check your internet connection. Make sure the app is up to date. Restarting the device can fix many issues. The same steps work for international landlines. Businesses often use Google Voice for landline calls. It helps keep your personal number private. You can call landlines from anywhere. Google Voice is not available in every country. Availability depends on your location. Open Google Voice, dial the number, and call. That's how you dial a landline using Google Voice. It's simple once you try it. Now you can call landlines the smart way. Thanks for watching.